A 22-year-old from Pune, no degree, no savings, no coding skills, is making 4.2 lakh rupees every single month using AI tools that are completely free. His name is Arjun Mehta. 18 months ago, he was earning 8,000 rupees a month delivering food on Swiggy. Today, he runs an AI content agency serving 14 global clients. And he is not special. You can do exactly what he did. Here is the number that will change how you see the world. India's AI industry is worth 6,200 crore rupees right now, and by 2027, it will explode to 33,000 crore rupees. That's a 430% growth in just 3 years. McKinsey says AI will add $1.5 trillion to India's economy by 2030. The gold rush has already started. The question is, are you digging, or are you watching others get rich? The dirty secret that big corporations don't want you to know: 73% of India's 63 million small businesses desperately need AI help but have nobody to turn to. Every chemist shop in Nagpur, every textile trader in Surat, every coaching institute in Kota is drowning in tasks that AI can automate in minutes. They will pay you 15,000 rupee to 50,000 rupee per month just to set it up for them. This gap is your gold mine. So what are these AI businesses that require zero technical knowledge? Number 1, AI Content Agency. Use ChatGPT and Jasper to write blogs, ads, and social media posts for businesses. Average Indian agency charges 20,000 rupee per client per month. Get just 5 clients, that's 1 lakh rupees monthly. Number 2, AI YouTube Automation. Tools like Pictree and 11 Labs create full videos without showing your face. Channels doing this earn 80,000 rupee to 3 lakh rupees per month from AdSense alone. Number 3 is the one that shocked even us. AI Chatbot Setup Service. Businesses pay 25,000 rupee to 80,000 rupees just for you to install a chatbot on their website using tools like ManyChat or Tidio, tools that have zero coding, drag-and-drop interfaces. You learn it in 3 hours on YouTube. Number 4, AI Resume and LinkedIn Makeover Service. Indians are paying 2,000 rupee to 5,000 rupee per resume. One freelancer in Hyderabad does 40 resumes a month. That's 1.6 lakh rupees. Working 2 hours a day. But here is where it gets really interesting. India has an unfair advantage the entire world is jealous of. We have 580 million internet users. We have the cheapest data on earth, just 150 rupee per month for unlimited internet. We have 65% of our population under 35. And our English fluency puts us ahead of China, Japan, and Korea in the global AI service market. Western clients pay 3 to 5 times more than Indian rates for the exact same AI service. Priya from Indore charges US clients $500 per month for AI social media management. That's 41,500 rupees every single month. Now let's talk about your actual first step, because motivation without action is just entertainment. Day 1. Create accounts on ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Pictree. All free versions work fine. Day 2. Pick one niche: restaurants, real estate agents, or coaching institutes in your city. Day 3. Build one free sample: an AI-written Instagram caption pack, a chatbot demo, or a sample blog post. Then message 20 businesses on Instagram DM. Conversion rate is typically 1 in 10. That's 15,000 rupees from your first client in under 2 weeks. Here is the brutal truth nobody tells you. The biggest risk in 2024 is not starting an AI business. It is staying in a 25,000 rupee salary job while inflation eats your savings alive. India's inflation hit 6.8% in 2023. Your salary needs to grow 7% just to stay even. Meanwhile, the AI market grows 33% per year. The people who will regret this decade most are not the ones who tried and failed. They are the ones who watched from the sidelines while others built empires. The tools are free. The opportunity is massive. The only question is whether you will act today. Right now, 11,000 Indians are launching AI businesses this month alone, according to LinkedIn data from October 2024. Some will make 10,000 rupees. Some will make 10 lakh rupees. The difference is one thing: who has the right information. That is exactly why this channel exists. We break down real money opportunities with real numbers, real people, and zero fluff every single week. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now, because we drop life-changing money facts every week, and you cannot afford to miss what's coming next.